Okay, in this problem we're looking for the median of the following data set, and we have the values 4, 7, 7, 9, 11, and 23, and 4. Now to find the median, we first want to line these up from least to greatest. They're almost there, but we've got to move this 4 back to the beginning, so we have 4, 4, 2 7s, 9, 11, and then 23. And then I want to start crossing them off till I find the middle number, or if we have an even amount of values, the two middle numbers. If we get two middle numbers, we'll average those numbers. If we just have one middle number, we'll just take that number. So let's cross them off. And in this case, we have one middle number, which is 7. So the median in this case is 7.